Despite a recent slight bump in the amount of overall positive coronavirus cases in Monmouth County, there have been some positive trends of late. And in an effort to keep those positive trends going and combat further spread of the disease in Monmouth County, the Freeholders are opening up 6 new testing sites for residents. Monmouth County Freeholders are appropriating $250,000 from the $108 million they received in federal CARES Act funding to open up testing sites in some of the more densely populated municipalities of Asbury Park, Freehold Borough, Keansburg, Neptune, Long Branch, and Red Bank, where residents may also have had trouble finding a site that's also free to get swabbed.
Timely and accurate testing is critical for our trackers to identify where COVID is and how we can stop it in its tracks.
Freeholder Kylie, who is also the liaison to the Monmouth County Health Department, said that the MCHD will be administering the COVID-19 test and providing the tracking service to anyone who does test positive for the coronavirus. At each of the 6 free sites opening up, there will only be 100 tests administered per day at each location, but on the plus side, you don't need to make an appointment.
There are no appointments necessary. There is no cost. You do not need a prescription. You just need to know that you're healthy. You come in and you get tested and you get your results. All residents that do come in are going to have to provide their contact information for us so that we can get back to you and let you know what your result was. And you don't have to be symptomatic to come in and have a test. You just have to want to be checked.
Monmouth County residents being able to get tested for free will help, especially in lower income areas such as parts of Asbury Park where they may not be able to afford getting a test.
In a community like ours where many people live at or below the poverty level, this is so significant that it is going to be free testing.
Testing is crucial in managing this health crisis. It gets people back to work, it gets children back to school, and it gets people back into our communities.
To help make the test free for residents in Monmouth County, the Jay and Linda Grunin Foundation is matching the $250,000 the Freeholders are appropriating to help cover the overall cost. Their son Jeremy, who is currently the president of the foundation, recognized the need to have more access to testing within Monmouth County and for residents living in higher risk neighborhoods.
On a call, Pastor Porter from Red Bank specifically spoke up and said, we have a problem. We have an access problem. We have folks that can't get to testing, right? We have folks that need the testing to come to them. So I listened to what he had to say, and I said, you know what? We got to do something about this. And I made a call to Freehold Director Tom Arnone. And to his credit, right away, he said, yeah, we're going to get this done.
Freeholder Director Tom Arnone says he wants people to feel comfortable where everything is currently at with the fight against COVID-19 and encourage more testing so people in the community are constantly aware of what's going on.
It gives the ability for people to know, that are walking on the street that might think they had COVID-19 but don't have the ability to be tested, and they're transmitting that.
Freeholder Arnone also explains that with more testing comes more positive cases, which is something they want to be honest about as opposed to padding the stats.
Our numbers are going to go up. And you know what? My fellow freeholders, myself, Asbury Park, our legislators, our administration, we all are in partners on this and realize this. But instead of putting our head in the sand so we could say our numbers are low, because people are not getting tested, we said let's hit it on the ground and move forward and then fix the problem.
The testing sites being set up in Asbury Park, Freehold Borough, Long Branch, Neptune, Keansburg, and Red Bank are free for all Monmouth County residents. All you have to do is go to the testing site that day to sign up. There will be signs nearby to let you know if that particular site is out of test for that particular day. In Asbury Park, I'm Vin Ebenu for the Town Square News Network.